All right, guys, welcome back. Getting ready to walk around this 1981 Firebird, dressed up as a Trans Am. It's got a 76 front end, got a 455 with power steering, decent running and driving motor. It's actually got quite a bit of power. I just did a test drive. We got disc brakes in the front, drum in the rear. We're gonna be doing a little walk around, pointing out any kind of flaws. That way you know what you're getting before you get here. Be sure to check out maplemotors.com, where all of our cars are located. And we update that every Monday with fresh inventory. If you're new to the channel, hit subscribe. I post videos almost every day. And it helps us out greatly when you share, so please do so. I appreciate it. And thanks ahead of time. All right, we're gonna get started here. Looking right at this front end, it does have a few little scratches and cracks in the bumper here. You can see the little lines, little spider webs here and there. There's a crack there. Getting all up close and personal here. Little scratch there. You got some thick paint on the edge here. Coming up over the fender. Good tires on this ride as well. Nice set of Cragars. Get down the bottom of the car. Trying to get down real low for you guys. A little bit of rust popping up back here behind the driver's rear wheel. You see that, them bubbles? Coming down the midsection here. There we go. The door wasn't shut all the way. You got a little touch-up spot right in the middle of the door there. Going down the top. The trim around the windows is in great shape. Bird looks beautiful on the hood, even though it's just a Firebird. I'm gonna go ahead and grab the keys. We have not opened the trunk. One thing I usually do before we start the video, but we'll go ahead and do it now. Woo, had to catch it. It came up fast. The jams are nice and clean. The weather stripping on here is a bit older. It looks like it's still working though. It did rain up here the other day. I don't see any moisture. Looking up at your package tray. I'm trying to get it to clear up, but it looks nice and clean in here. And shut this down. You got a little chip on top of your wing here. Now we're going to do the same thing and run down this side of the car. Got a little bubble right there. A little bit of road grime, some chips. Got a little chip there on the edge of the door. And thick on the paint here on the front. Coming down the midsection now. got a few chips coming down the center of this door. Coming back, the roof's in great shape, nice and clean. Get a chip right here. All right, we've made it all the way around this. We're going to be opening up the interior, checking it out, and getting her started here in a moment. Go ahead and place your bets. A little game we like to play. Do you think the horn works on this one? Right before we get in the car, we'll check that out. The interior is nice and clean. Seats in great condition. I actually like this interior quite a bit. I like the red, but that's just me. This one's got JBL speakers all in the doors. They look fairly new as well. Weather stripping around the door feels soft still. Let's look up under the door. Sorry, I should have got my other bracket to do this video. I'm holding my head cam. All right, we're jumping off in here, looking around. So it's got cloth on the dash here, and then the dash underneath it is actually in good shape. It's not all tore up. I think they put this up there to protect it. Looking around the interior some more. Huh, I think somebody made that. And it does have, there it is. Looks like big book of receipts, so that's always good. And the parts catalog. All right, let's get her started up here. Checking the gauges at the bottom here. Oil pressure's coming up. Looks like it's around 30. Engine temp's at 180. Radio is working. Blower motor does not work on this one. Showing mileage here. It's hard to stand behind it. The gas gauge does work. Wipers, they do work. Horn, not honking here. Tilt column. Good deal. Gotta shut that door a little bit firm, otherwise it won't close all the way. Motor's nice and quiet. Go ahead and shut this hood down. After we look up under it, it's still got the insulation. Coming on down with the hood. There's a little chip right here on this one. Looks like you got a few bubbles right here on the hood. I'm trying to make them pop up so you can see them. They're in this area right here. Maybe if the right light hits it at some point in this circle here, you'll be able to see them. Same thing's going on right here in the middle by the head of the chicken. All right, I'm gonna give you some undercarriage shots. Be sure to check out maplemotors.com and look at the detailed photos. Close to 100 detailed photos at that website, and on the test drive, light the undercarriage up and drive over it. Let's look under this. Okay guys, I do appreciate you watching. If you're new to the channel, hit that subscribe button. I try to post videos every day. If you don't mind, share these videos. It helps us out greatly. And hit that like button. maplemotors.com has financing, shipping information, 100 detailed pictures, and we update with new inventory every Monday. If you have any other questions, give us a call, 615-822-4444. Test drive video should be up right now. You can click on it and take a ride with us in this 1981 Firebird. Appreciate y'all watching. Thanks again.